Did you know you can do auto rig in Maya? If yes, well and good, but no, this is the right time. Welcome back again to my channel. Today I have something very interesting for you guys. I'm gonna show you how you can do auto rig in Maya, but first we're gonna first make our character in ZBrush, but I'll speed up the time. Then we go to Maya, where I'll show you what you need in order to auto rig your character. Please stay tuned. So here we are in Maya, and this is our gym guy. Our gym guy here. This man has been carrying a lot of metals. So let's change our workstation to rigging. Then, so these are some of the tools. Then come here and select skeleton. Then look for quick rig. Alright, you see the interface is so friendly here. So first of all, select your character, then click on auto rig. Then boom, you see the magic? Our guy is already rigged here. But then the issue is, as you see, the machine can't do it like perfectly, but still you can do something interesting with it. These are some of, you see, like if I make a selection here, boom, boom, boom. Our guy is trying to dance here, but then you can't, you know, we still have some small issues with our character. This can be corrected. So all right, let's try to delete this, and then we make it look better by using the step-by-step method, but still it's on the quick rig. So here, what you do, select the step-by-step, and then you add the selected mesh, the mesh we've selected here, our man here, our gym guy. All right, then the embedded mesh, leave it at imperfect mesh, and then the resolution of 250 is okay. Then hit this create button to create these guidelines. Boom, you see that? Whenever you move a guide, remember to mirror it by pressing this button here. Mostly this mirror tool is used on the arms and legs. So don't forget to mirror whenever you move a point so that they are mirrored at the same exact position. All right, so I think we're done with yeah, I think it's well positioned. So let's add our skeleton, or generate our rig by clicking this create button. Then boom, our skeleton is now perfectly positioned to our character. But here, when we're trying to move the skeleton, it's not moving with our character. So what you do here is what we call binding or skinning. So here you come and create, you click this button written on create, down here on skinning, then it's going to bind with the skin of our character. So when you're trying to move now, you see that? This guy has carried enough mentors. So our gym guy here can now do the moves. Trying to dance that ballet dance. All right. You see how easy it is to do the auto rig? Then zoom, jump down, doing the squat. So you see you can do a lot of stuff with this guy. Zoom. The energy is real. All right, so this man here is trying to say thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for watching till the end. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and don't forget to like and share for me to do more videos like this. So peace.